how to use ChatGPT as a default assistant, or how to set ChatGPT as your default digital assistant. Open your ChatGPT application. Tap on two lines from the left top corner. Now go to your account. Tap on voice. Now see the option use as default assistant. Turn on this setting. Now click on digital assistant application. Now see there are three options: None, ChatGPT and Google. Now from here you can select ChatGPT as your default digital assistant application. So select ChatGPT. Now tap on OK.